Hey, what is up, guys? All right, we're back in the garage and I got something cool that came in the mail. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but in my descriptions, if you haven't noticed this already, I've been able to attain 3 different sponsorships for the channel. One is JLT, and we have Anchor Room. And if you're not familiar with Anchor Room, they make some some decals and stuff like that, and they make tents for the tail lights and headlights and some cool stuff like that. And the other one is the RDP Store. So in the past few videos that I've uploaded, and everyone going forward, if you look down in the description, there are some codes that you can use, basically use my name and be able to save you some money. So what does that mean for the channel? Well, really nothing. It's at no benefit to me. I just got with these companies and put some codes in order, so be able to save you some money. So with that said, in no way does that mean that I'm going to allow any kind of sponsorships to dictate how I do things on the channel. So it's going to be the same old, we're going to roll with it, but I just want to be able to, give you guys some savings. But JLT actually sent me something in the mail, so let's go check that out. All right, so not a true unboxing. I've already opened it up and kind of peeked inside just a little bit, but I can share this with you guys. So JLT sent me a t-shirt. I can do this one-handed. So very, very nice. And we have a bunch of decals and some beer cozies. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. It's kind of like a nice little hard emblem there. All right, what else is in here? Oh, I know what this is. Oh man. So what this is, I already know what this is. It's pretty cool. So over here on the car, you have this whole area here is pretty much opened up from the factory. So this is pretty neat that they sent me this. It's going to fit just like that. It's going to should cover up all of this. So that should be a pretty straightforward process. And it looks like it'll fit just fine. Let's go ahead and install it correctly. So this should be a pretty easy install. Now this is kind of cool because this actually matches what's on the car already. So it also comes with some Velcro here, which we're going to apply there and there somewhere. Got to dig through the instructions, but it seems like it's going to be about a 5-minute install. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean the surface area here so we can prep the install. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do is take these push pins out. So get your little flathead just like that, and they will lift up. Let me find this. There we go. Just like that. And then you'll go underneath and just pull them out. So like I said, you are going to want to clean this surface area here and then down here as well. Already done it, but let's just wipe some more of this dust off. You could use an alcohol pad if you wanted to. And then, so this here is going to basically secure down here and then down here. So we're going to peel this off, and then it should make sure that we got the holes lined up. I'm not going to push down on it yet. I want to put those push pins back in. nuts. They're going to secure in place like that. Now, if you guys have like a hood strut here, this is not going to interfere. Which is good, so you don't have to trim that up. And now that's installed, so I'm going to apply pressure. And that's all she wrote. So that is probably the easiest thing that I've ever installed on a car. It took all of like 3 minutes, so that's pretty awesome, and it looks pretty fantastic. So, you know, one of the things about the 18s is you got all these covers everywhere, and you just can't really help it. It is what it is, but that's always been kind of a sore spot for everybody. But that should fit all 15 through 2018 S550s, and it does look pretty good. I like it. It's pretty nice that they sent it to me. Something else that you'll notice if you pay attention to it, so this little cutout here, you know, for this line here, you know, it's already cut out, so it all matches, it fits perfectly. You know, the attention to detail is definitely there, so very good job, JLT, thanks. I was actually already filming earlier.
Oh, what were you filming?
Just a little thing I did the engine. JLT sent me some stuff.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah.
That's badass.
But hey, what's up, guys? We're here with a soldier here at Fort Campbell. So, introduce yourself.
I'm Anthony. I have a twin turbo Mustang. I'm here for an oil change, and my O2 sensors have gone down the drain. So, hoping to fix that today too.
Yep. So we're looking at a, well, you said about 602 horsepower.
Yeah.
To the ground. Mustang here. We got a twin turbo set up, and he's got the actual exhaust coming out the sides there. So don't hate on him because his car's dirty. It's daily driven.
It is, yeah.
So anyway, but that's pretty cool. You know, I was filming, and then he stopped by and asked for some help. So we're gonna do that. So check this out, guys. So look at his setup here. It's pretty fancy. This car bit me.
My car bit. Yeah, that was your jack stand bit you.
Or yeah.
No. Oh, what the?
He's pouring in.
Oh, there we go. Oh.
Some American freedom right there.
Hell yeah.
Kind of jealous of his wheels. I'll have to get some of these so I can go to the track. Here's a little snapshot of something else for you guys. So if you don't know what these are, I'm not going to tell you. Well, they're sway bars, obviously, but for what? You know, what do they come off of? What are they for? Well, I guess you're going to have to wait and find out and tune back in. But if you do follow me on Instagram, you probably already know what these are, or if you follow me on Facebook. So speaking of Instagram and Facebook, so I recently also created my own Facebook page just for this channel, and definitely going to link it in the description, and Instagram as well. So that's a good place for you to be able to contact me, which is why I also made the Facebook too. So it just makes it easier for you guys to contact me if you want some, you know, some more detailed information on some of the stuff. I've already had, you know, a couple of you viewers email me, which is fine too, and I'm very responsive, and that's kind of the way that I like to do it. You know, some of these channels, you send a message and stuff like that, they really don't really try to, you know, they don't get back to you as quick as they maybe should. You know, the very least I can do is try to be on top of things and get back to you as soon as I can. So I'm usually pretty quick, but this, you know, the Instagram and the Facebook are tools that we can also use. So anyway, the sway bars are going to go in. I'm waiting on a few more bushings, and they should be here soon. I will explain all of that later, but it gives you something to look forward to. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.